Hi guys! Good afternoon. Today we're gonna have a challenge.
With me.
Yeah, it's only for Sarah. This is what we called Bisaya challenge. Tanaw na to kung pila ka Bisaya words ang bala ni Sarah. So it's body parts, okay? Body parts, are you ready?
Look
Okay.
what I got.
Bisaya na ging, Bisaya na ging. Dali, ging. Oh, sige, ging. Bisaya na ging. Okay. Ready na ka, Sarah? Yes, okay. Um, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Bisaya, Sant? Say it in Bisaya. Okay. Nose.
Ilong.
Huh?
Ilong.
1 point. Eyes. Your eyes.
Mata.
2. Hair. Hair.
I forgot. That you the 44.
Hair.
Forgot. No, I forgot.
Oh, okay. We will go back to hair later on.
Okay.
Okay. Head. Huda. Head.
Ulo.
Ulo. Rikte. Okay, 3 points. This one. Your neck.
No, I don't know that one now.
Huh?
I forgot that one again.
Okay. Move on. We'll go back later. Mouth. Mouth.
Forgot.
Moon.
Forgot. Oops, I forgot that one. I too.
Ha?
I forgot a lot of them.
Okay, we'll go back later. You need to think. Hands.
Okay. I think that one is kamot.
Kamot. Okay.
Ow!
Oh, 4 lang ga, 4. Okay. Oh, kane. What's this?
Tiil.
Tiil. 5 na. You have 5 points. And kane diri.
Ilok.
Ilok.
Oh, that
Ilok.
was so...
Giti. Ilok. Pila na to, ging? 5, 6.
I think 6. Yeah, 6.
Okay. Stomach.
Oh no, I forgot that one. I like...
Stomach. Ha?
I forgot.
Okay. Move on. And tongue.
Pili?
Ha?
Pili?
Almost. Almost. It begins with D.
Pili?
Almost. D. D.
Hindi. Ding dong.
Ding dong. Sarah, it's almost. Doon sa dili, man, it's almost. It's only 1 letter on the last.
Dila?
Yeah! Klapa. Dila. And, okay. Kaniging, kani. Unsa ni? I need to show it. Kani. Show. Kani, unsa ni?
Ow.
Unsa na? Do you want a clue?
Yeah.
It starts with letter P.
Oh. Poop. Nah.
Pu. Pu.
Lu.
No.
Pulu.
Pu.
Pupu. Nah.
Pupu. Okay, move on. Later on, we will go back to hair.
Not here. Okay. Okay. I think it's here.
Hi. Sir. It starts with letter B. Bu.
Book.
Huh?
Book.
Yeah, buhok. Okay, move on. Then, da, halsen.
Give me
Li,
liog.
liog.
I almost said ligo. I almost said ligo.
Liog ang ligo. And then, what ang ka, pu, that one. Pu,
What's the
pu,
pupu na?
ha, pu, pusu,
Pusug?
ha,
Pusug?
ha, pu,
Pusug?
pusud,
Pusud?
pusud.
Esta pakai N portion. Esta pakai
Kasada.
Esta pusug.
Busog. Nestan son busog. Okay. Oh, sige. Oh, and unsa paging? Hala? What is that?
Ay, utot.
Huh?
Ay, utot.
Excuse me. That is what we called
Utot.
lingkod, gang. Lingkod. What do you mean by lingkod?
Sit.
Okay. What do you mean by stand?
Stand.
Stand.
Okay, I can stand.
What is stand?
Oh, okay. It's something, nothing, I don't know.
Tin.
Tintin?
Huy! Nay! Tin. Tindog.
Tindog.
Tindog. Ikaw. Lingkod, gang. Lingkod.
Nah.
And, what else? Do you have some words in Bisaya?
I don't know birds in Bisaya.
You?
Is it?
Bisaya ka. You need to know Bisaya. Kay, you can't go home to Lola. You can't travel to Lola without knowing. Bisaya. Again.
I'm done with the challenge.
What is done in Bisaya?
Mana.
Huh?
Mana. I said mana.
Isi baraman na. Lingkod.
Mana lingkod.
Huh? What is done in Odifade? What is done in Bisaya?
I'm done.
Sarah? Yes, it's mana, but there is a word in front of mana.
I have never known the infant.
Mana. Humana.
Humana. Okay,
Humana.
Now,
Okay. You're good. How many points you got?
I think I got 10,000.
10?
10,000. I'm from China.
How about
China. No,
How about-
cancel.
how about take a bath? Take a bath.
Ligo.
Spisa. Eat.
Kaon.
Kaon. And sleep.
Tulog.
Tulog. You need to tulog na.
I'm from China.
How about let's go?
Okay, come on, let's go.
How about let's go?
Ow!
How about let's go?
Okay, I forgot that one.
Hmm? How about let's go?
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
It's called Tarana! Tarana! Tarana!
Ta-da-da-da!
Taralits! Taralits! Okay.
Ta-da-da!
That's all for today.
Today I
The
got 10.
Bisaya Challenge.
Today I got 6,000 million.
Can you say bye?
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ow! Bye.